Oh no, we got Bojangles right here. We got Zaxbys right there. What do I feel like today? I don't know. Cheating. Decisions. I'm rolling with the Zaxbys. You know, I like Bojangles too, but I'm gonna roll with the Zaxbys for the simple reason that I don't know. I just like their sauce. You know, Bojangles got some good barbecue sauce. You know, certain restaurants got good barbecue sauce. Like Wendy's has good barbecue sauce to me. McDonald's barbecue sauce is too watery. You know what I'm saying? I think fast food is fast food is fast food. I mean, some is a little more high quality than others, but it's still fast food at the end of the day. You know, I mean, it's a big difference, but you're cheating. You're cheating.
What can I get for?
Can I have large wings and things? With nuclear on the wings and hot honey mustard on the fingers.
That was the traditional.
Traditional.
You said what sauce on the wings?
Nuclear on the wings. And hot
what sauce on your fingers?
Hot honey mustard on the fingers. Also, can I have some Zax sauce?
What's your drink?
Let me try that. What is that? A Jumanji drink?
The citrus fizz?
Citrus fizz? Jumanji citrus fizz? Yeah, let me try that.
What else can I get for you?
That's all.
$15.98.
Thank you. Alright, YouTube, I got my bag. Show y'all what I got. Ooh, big box. Two pieces of toast. A bunch of fries. Wings. Fingers. Hot honey mustard on the fingers. Got a ranch sauce. Oh yeah, this my stuff right there. That Zax sauce. Ooh. Got some little celeries or whatever. I haven't tried this, but this is the Jumanji citrus fizz. I don't know. Maybe they playing on stuff that's going on. Hey, it's all about names. Fizz, Little Fizz, and them is like popular, so let's call it Fizz. Nobody know. It's like tagging your videos. Hey, the name of stuff is everything. So I would have called it Omarion. Omarion drink. Ew, that would have been poor. But yeah, yeah, let's get in. Let's dig in. We'll taste the drink first. It's good. I was gonna get a Sprite. You know, if I cheat, I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna get a real drink. I'm not doing diet. I'm not on a diet. Boca does not mean you have freedom for everything. We ain't talking about fitness right now. I don't care about fitness right now as on media. I don't give a care. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this real quick. Fries on point. I'm gonna open up the Zax sauce. What? I'm gonna start with. I don't know if I want to start the fingers or I want to start with the wings. I dripped a little bit of sauce on my shirt. I gotta go to work. We dirty at work. I don't care. I get dirty anyway. So let's go. Start with a finger. Dip a little Zax sauce on it. I don't know. I gotta try that beloved sauce. Everybody talk about beloved sauce. I ain't never had it. You know what I'm saying? I guess you gotta order it. I'm end up ordering something, see what it tastes like. You know what I'm saying? Boking season or cheat days when I'm cutting or whatever. Hey, I eat from the soul. I eat from the soul. I'm not counting my calories. I don't know how many calories this is. Probably 1,500 calories right here. It's all good though. Pro tip, even though I said we're not talking about fitness, a lot of people make the mistake of not counting their calories on drinks. Drinks count. If you're trying to, let's say you're trying to reach a 2,000 calorie goal, and you eat 2,000 calories on a dot, right? In food, right? And you didn't count your calories when you drank. You're already at 2,000. That drink right there is a couple hundred calories. Now you're at 22, 23 or whatever. You had another drink, 24. You might be at 3,000 and some calories when you was trying to shoot for 2,000 and don't even know it. Count your drinks, yo. I know a lot of people say that I don't count my drinks. They just drink. They go in, you go. No, those calories do the same thing food calories do. They get stored as fat, whatever. Use it energy, stored as fat. That's what your body gonna do to calories. I mean, it's more than that, but the main three things it's gonna do is gonna burn. It's gonna use those calories for energy. Whatever it doesn't use as energy is gonna store as fat. Whatever it doesn't store as fat is gonna go in the toilet. Number one, number two. But before it do that, it already did the other two. You know what I'm saying? Plus other things, you know. The main three things. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a wing. This one right here is small, but I like small wings. It's less food, but it's more flavor. I grew up poor, so we like to eat everything off the bone. Unless you got a dog, you're gonna give them the bones. We don't waste food. Show you what these fries look like. Got a little bit of sauce on it. But people that don't have Zaxbys, where they from? Got Zaxbys right here. I got Bojangles right there. Got chicken shacks all over the place. KFC across the street. Got a Taco Bell right there. Not a chicken shack, but Taco Bell / Pizza Hut. McDonald's up the block. Man, I'm good. Teach his own. I eat them all. The ones you might consider trash, I don't care. I eat them all. Yeah. That's how your plate's supposed to look after you're done. See the little baby gut. Drop some sauce on my shirt. Yeah, y'all seen my videos lately? This is what the gut has been coming from. You know, you might say, oh, you falling off repping. At the end of the day, you got to escape route. You know how to diet real good. You know your plans. You know your goals. If you don't, then I'm not saying, yo, different strokes for different folks. Hey, if you can't get away with this, then whatever. Right now, I'm not getting away with it, as you see. The abs is not popping. I'll get them back whenever I want. Abs are muscles. I'm still working on my abs. So at the end of the day, it's under that. You know what I'm saying? I still look the same way y'all seen me in the summer. I'm going to do a physique update soon. But yeah. Hey, know exactly what you're doing and don't listen to nobody else. Comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Yeah, I'm dying. Yeah, peace.